In this video, I want to show you how to remove and how to put back the earpads of your Sony headphones WH-CH520. So to remove them, if you want, let's say if they're damaged or if you want to wash them, you simply have to grab, okay, simply pinch, no matter where, it's not important, let's say over here, pinch them and simply pull gently, and you're going to notice right over here, okay, take a look there, you'll be able to remove them from the ring that is around the headphone. So you have done this, do the same thing over here, and everything needs to be done gently, nothing will rip. And here we go, I have removed the ear pad. Replace it, or wash it, do whatever you want to do. And when time comes to put them back, I always suggest you start with the top where you see an arrow. Okay, grab it and place, you see the small, I don't know how you call it, the small lip here over the ring of the headphone. Try to make it grip there. Okay, good. Keep your finger pressed where it has been attached, and then pinch it with the other fingers and place it gently on the ring. Do not release your finger from where the arrow is, where it's attached, and do the full tour just like that. Almost done. Okay, now you can release your finger and make sure it's properly attached all around. Perfect. And this is it. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments, if this worked, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. See you.